Okay, so I just want to mention real quick another series on why accounting is important. And so when we talk about being successful in business, the research shows that it's widely recognized that a fundamental understanding of accounting principles is beneficial for individuals in many professions, especially those involved in business, finance, entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurship, that's a lot of who I talk to, and management and managers of companies, leaders of organizations. When they say management, that's what they're talking about. And it says that many successful entrepreneurs and business leaders, again, managers, leaders, CEOs, whatever you are, credit their knowledge of accounting as instrumental to their success. For example, and I talk about this all the time, the language of business, it says Warren Buffett, one of the world's most successful investors and CEO of his company, famously emphasizes the importance of understanding accounting principles. That's the basics of accounting in evaluating investment opportunities. Okay, so we're not here about investments. We're here about counting our bag, making sure that we know what accounting is, how to be successful with our business. I have created some quizzes and some polls, and you will start seeing those on YouTube. We got to learn how to count this bag. However I have to bring it, it's going to come to you. And then it says successful CEOs and executives often have a strong grasp of financial concepts and use accounting information to make strategic decisions, manage budgets, and drive organizational growth. While not every successful person may have formal training in accounting, and I'm not talking about formal training, I'm talking about if you're gonna run a business, then you need to know how to count that bag, period. So where was I? It says, while not every successful person may have a formal training in accounting, excuse me, many recognize the value of financial literacy and seek to develop their understanding of accounting principles to navigate the complexities of the business world more effectively. So how to navigate that landscape of business. A lot of people want to be in business. A lot of people are in business. Counting that bag is important for business. That's why accounting is important. Then it also says, as a caveat, right? Ultimately, while there may not be a specific statistic on the number of successful people who know accounting, it's clear that a foundational knowledge of accounting can be a valuable asset in achieving success in various professional endeavors. That is why J. Rambus is I'm in existence because of that, Jessicka Rambus, and sharing this knowledge, spreading the knowledge of accounting, spreading the knowledge of counting your bag. Like I said, I tell people, count your own bag, because if you don't count your bag for yourself or understand somebody, when somebody's counting your bag, you have to be mindful and understand what they're saying to you. So the terminology they might use, right? You have to understand that. I mean, it only makes sense that you understand what maybe an accountant is telling you, right? They can say, oh yeah, your profit is this and that. But however, because of the retained earnings, or they might use some language or something that you don't understand, and then say, because of that and your tax, requirements and your tax this, you really are worth this. So you need to understand what your worth is. This is what that's about. Stop relying on people to tell you what your worth is. We should know what that is for ourselves, and that we can validate it.